Idiom. Phrase. Barrel of laugh. Someone who is very funny. Old as the hills. Some who is very old. In the doghouse. To have some unhappy with you. Up for grabs. Available for anyone. Split hairs. Argue or worry about small details. Round the bend. Crazy, insane. See eye to eye. To conquer, agree. Break a leg. Good luck. Ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next decision or step. Barking up the wrong tree. Looking in the wrong place. Be glad to see the back of. Be happy when a person leaves. Against the clock. Rushed and short on time. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge something primarily by its appearance. Thanks to. Due to. Ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next decision or step. Blind date. A date where the two people have never met before. Get along with. To have a good relationship with someone. Kick the bucket. Die. Oddball. A weirdo or a strange person. Knee-jerk reaction. A quick and automatic response. Hang in there. Don't give up. Pull yourself together. Calm down. So far so good. Things are going well so. Down to earth. Sensible and realistic. Curiosity killed the cat. Being too curious can get you into trouble. 9 Elvis has left the building. The show has come to an end. It's all over. To last straw. The final problem in a series of problems. Joined at the hip. To be exceptionally close to someone. Elbow grease. Hard physical effort. 40 winks. A short nap. Thank you for watching.